Isoy, umaatake! Hindi pumasok, kulit may sabit, may foul. Foul mga kaibigan, ito si number 1 ang matatawagan, holding foul. His first personal foul, first for the team. 2 free throws, Isoy, unang bitaw, Mendez. Pwedeng may tabla ang laban kung may pasok ni Isoy ang kanyang second and final free throw. Isoy ngayon. Tubong Shirabulyones, Palubo, Mendez! Big rebound palabag. May foul, ito si number 12 ang matatawagan. His first personal foul, first for the team. Kailangan mag-adjust both teams. Number 24.